Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Giotto water bottle is probably one of the most essential everyday companions you can invest in, transforming your hydration habits with its thoughtful design, durable construction, and motivational time markers that gently nudge you towards your daily water intake goals, making it more than just a container but a true partner in your wellness journey, ensuring you stay refreshed and energized throughout your busy day without constant refills. Number 5. RAYMYLO 32 ounces Insulated Water Bottle. Introducing the ultimate hydration companion. This bottle ensures your drinks stay at the perfect temperature, no matter where your day takes you. Thanks to its triple-wall vacuum insulation, it keeps beverages icy cold for up to 24 hours and reassuringly warm for 12. Every sip will be absolutely perfect. Equipped with full seal, leak-proof lids, you'll never worry about spills. Choose between a straw lid for quick sips or a spout lid for a steady flow, keeping your drinks fresh and secure. Its iconic paracord handle, complete with a compass and carabiner, makes it ideal for any adventure. This thoughtful addition provides both style and essential utility on the go. Crafted from 18-8 food-grade stainless steel, it's non-BPA and unscented, ensuring a clean taste every time. The wide mouth and powder coating make it easy to clean and comfortable to hold. Your purchase includes everything for optimal use, from multiple lids to cleaning brushes. Plus, it comes with continuous after-sales service and 100% satisfaction guaranteed. What we like? This bottle boasts triple-wall insulation for extreme temperature retention and an iconic paracord handle with a compass. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or adventurer, its superior cold retention and survival features make it an ideal companion for your journeys. It ensures your drinks stay icy cold and you're prepared for anything on the trail. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted as requested. Number 4. Brita 26 ounces Filtering Water Bottle Sea Glass. Stay refreshed on the go with this premium filtering water bottle. It's designed to give you cleaner, great-tasting water wherever you are. Its activated carbon block filter significantly reduces chlorine taste and odor. You'll notice the difference in every sip, ensuring a more enjoyable drinking experience. Make a positive impact on the planet. Each filter in this bottle can replace up to 300 standard single-use plastic bottles, helping you save money and reduce waste. Enjoy features like an easy sip straw, a built-in carrying loop, and a one-handed push-button lid. Its leak-proof design prevents spills, making it perfect for any adventure. Cleaning is a breeze. Just place it on the top rack of your dishwasher for quick and easy maintenance. The included filter works hard for you, lasting up to 2 months or 40 gallons. When it's time for a change, simply replace it with a compatible Brita water bottle filter. What we like? This bottle features a built-in filter that reduces chlorine taste and odor as you drink, ensuring cleaner water. If you're looking for a sustainable way to enjoy better-tasting water on the go, this is perfect for you. It's also top-rack dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning after your adventures. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract helpful points. Number 3. Miracredo replacement straws for wide mouth bottles. These 7 replacement straws are designed for wide mouth bottles like Hydro Flask, Giotto, and Takaya. They come with 2 cleaning brushes for your convenience. Always check the compatibility chart or contact us if you're unsure about the right size. At 9.84 inches, they are easily trimmable to fit your specific bottle size. These straws are perfect for 32-ounce bottles and compatible with many popular brands. You can adjust them to your exact needs. Cleaning is a breeze, just use the included brush for a quick 5-second clean. Made from 100% food-grade, non-smell material, they are also dishwasher safe. Their smooth edges prevent scratches, making them safer than metal or glass alternatives. With a 1 mm thickness, these straws are exceptionally durable, crafted from hard, thick PP material. They resist heat conduction, staying cool even with hot beverages. Using them helps reduce exposure to harmful toxins. This great value pack includes 7 reusable straws, 2 cleaning brushes, and stickers. You'll always have a replacement ready, saving you from constantly buying disposable plastic straws. It's a smart and economical choice for your daily hydration. What we like? This pack offers 7 replacement straws and 2 cleaning brushes, compatible with many popular wide-mouth bottles. If you frequently lose or break your straws and want a cost-effective, food-grade solution, this set provides excellent value and convenience. You can even trim them to your desired length for a perfect fit. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific features or design points could be extracted. Number 2. RAYMYLO 32 ounces stainless steel water bottle. Its unique T-shaped design fits perfectly in any car cup holder, making it effortless to carry. This makes it ideal for driving, commuting, traveling, or camping. With triple wall vacuum insulation and an extra copper plate, it keeps drinks cold for up to 48 hours and hot for 24. You can savor fresh coffee or juice freely, without any metallic taste. It comes with a straw lid for easy sipping and a spout lid for quick hydration. The ergonomic handle and a survival paracord handle, integrating a whistle and compass, add extra portability and practicality. Crafted from food-grade 18/8 stainless steel, it's BPA-free and won't corrode or transfer flavors. Its wide mouth allows for easy ice addition and cleaning, while the textured powder coat provides a secure grip. We offer continuous after-sales support to ensure it performs at its best for years. The package includes the bottle, a straw lid with 2 straws and a brush, a spout lid, and a paracord handle. What we like. This bottle features a unique T-shaped design that fits perfectly in any car cup holder, along with exceptional 48-hour cold retention. If you spend a lot of time driving or commuting and need your drink to stay at the perfect temperature, this is designed specifically for your on-the-road hydration needs. Its ergonomic handle also makes it easy to carry. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted for the Giotto 32-ounce water bottle. Number 1. Iron Degree Flask Camping and Hiking Hydration Flask, 32-ounce Midnight Black. Experience superior hydration with its double wall insulation. This flask keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot for 12, all while remaining completely sweat-free. It comes equipped with 3 different leak-proof lids for ultimate convenience. Choose between a carabiner straw lid, a flip lid, or a classic stainless steel option to suit your needs. Crafted from 18/8 premium stainless steel, it's completely BPA-free and non-toxic. You'll never experience a metallic taste, ensuring pure hydration every time. This flask makes the perfect gift for any outdoor or gym enthusiast. It helps them stay hydrated and energized during all their adventures and workouts. Designed for durability, this robust flask is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. It's a reliable companion that will stand the test of time, wherever your journey takes you. What we like. This flask comes with 3 different leak-proof lids, offering incredible versatility for any activity. If you appreciate having options for how you drink and need a durable, sweat-free bottle that keeps beverages hot or cold for hours, this is a fantastic choice. It's also made from premium 18/8 stainless steel for lasting quality. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.